Hi guys, Primrose here, and just a quick video now. This is the first time I propagated a jade plant using the leaves instead of cuttings from the mother plant. And of course, it's always easier, and I know everyone um, knows how to do this or have tried it, propagating it from cuttings, and it's quite exciting. So it took a while, about 8 to 10 days for the roots to come out. Basically, I just put the leaves on top of a moist soil, and I did not use any rooting powder. And they have sprouted out some tiny babies. And these tiny plants are like 4 weeks old already. And some of the leaves are just beginning to put out roots, as you can see. Yeah, so I thought it's exciting to share this with you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm wishing everyone a happy weekend. Bye!